All right, if Gamma AI is not working for you, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple ways to fix the most common issues step by step. First, check your internet connection. Yeah, a slow or unstable connection can stop Gamma from loading or generating content. Try refreshing the page. Sometimes a simple reload can fix temporary glitches. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, this removes outdated data that can cause issues. Switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Some features may not work properly on certain browsers. Make sure you're logged in and have enough credits. Yeah, Gamma may stop generating content if your credits run out. Turn off browser extensions or VPNs. These can sometimes block or interfere with Gamma. If nothing works, it might be a server issue. Yeah, just wait a few minutes and try again. You can also try using Gamma on your phone or another device. This helps confirm if the problem is device related. Finally, if the issue continues, contact Gamma support. Yeah, they can help fix account-specific problems, and that's it. These steps should fix most Gamma AI issues quickly. Try them one by one, and you'll be back to creating content in no time.